Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm off activities and I am about to give you guys a room tour. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. The first night we got here, which was Friday, I really wanted to do it, but I couldn't because we're so busy. A lot was going on, activity after activity. But right now I am free, I'm off activities and I'm about to give you guys a room tour. Let's do this. Hi guys, welcome to our room. Please do come through. Okay guys, so this is our beautiful room. It is so beautiful. Firstly, we have this nice setup over here. This is our kettle, this is water station, and then in here we have our tea station over here. Yes, tea station over here. And then down here is our fridge. Yes, this is our fridge over here. This is everything we have in the fridge. And then obviously we can use this as a dressing table. And then I love this setup so much, guys. This is so beautiful. We can sit over here and then there's this nice table. I think this is rosemary, hey? It might be, it might not be, but it's nice. The decor is nice anyway. And then this is the bed, guys. It is so beautiful, y'all. This is the bed. It is so beautiful. Yes. Whew. It's so beautiful, guys. As you can see, the bed is wonderful. The bedside lamp. There's one over there as well. So I also love this, guys. I love to chill here. Imagine, like, this is so beautiful, hey? I love this. I really do love this, guys. Our room is so big. It is so beautiful. It's out of this world. Before we go out to the balcony, please let's go into the bathroom, guys. Oh, obviously you guys saw this telephone. Yeah, I didn't mention it, but yeah. Here, I also love this art piece over here. So this is the switch for lights and the towel warmer. Let's go through to the bathroom, you will see it. So this is our bathroom. It is so big, it is so spacious, as you can see. Firstly, we have over here a setup of, thank you for the light. Here we have a setup of his and hers. The sinks are amazing. Then here obviously we have the wash and the lotion. And then a beautiful mirror. From there we have this tub. And then this is the towel warmer I was talking about, guys. Yes, if you switch it on there, these towels will be warm. So yeah, it's pretty big here. It's enough. And then we have the shower, of course. This shower is so big, guys. Please come through, I'll show you. This shower is super big. So, yeah, as you can see, come through. So this is the shower. This is how big it is. As I said, it's so big. I love it. Like, I love the space in here, guys. You're free to splash around all you want. You're free to splash. Okay, and this is the tub, obviously the shower head. So yes, guys, let's go to, there's our window over there with blinds. Please, let's go through to the toilet. So this is the toilet over here. So yeah, toilet coming through. Just a simple toilet setup. Toilet, dustbin, toilet paper, the cleaner. This is so simple, but it's also so spacious. So yeah, guys, let's go through to last but not least, the beautiful balcony. Please come on. So this is a balcony, guys. Woo! Okay guys, so this is our balcony. As you can see, it's super beautiful. Please do come through. Firstly, the scenery, of course. All the trees are so nice. They are so beautiful. Like, this is a perfect place to chill in the morning or in the evening, just whenever here. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. I just love the smell of fresh air, the smell of trees, flowers. It's beautiful. So if you look over there, we have a pool right over there, a pool and a chill area, flowers, trees. That is so beautiful. And yeah, this is pretty, like, it's amazing, guys. Okay, so over here on the balcony we have these two chairs, guys. Faye and I can chill here. If you know, you know. So yeah, in the mornings, in the evenings, we can come here. We do come here. So yeah, guys, I really love this balcony. I love it. It is beautiful. It is spacious. Wow, balcony vibes, hey? Balcony vibes, guys. So yeah, this is beautiful, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this room tour, because I know I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed shooting it, and you guys, you know how much I love you, you know how much I appreciate you. Please remember to hit the red subscribe button. Please do leave me a comment down below, and also give this video a massive thumbs up, guys. I love you so much. From me to you, kisses. Bye.